If you drive 259 steel piles, each 250 meters long, straight into the ground and pour a one-story high layer of concrete on top once it solidifies, you can build a 300-meter tall structure above it. Then, if you add a 160-meter high signal mast on top, congratulations, you've invented a TV tower. But once the tower exceeds 300 meters, high-altitude airflow creates alternating vortices behind it, causing the structure to sway from side to side. So, you smartly replace the single tower shaft with 3 columns, each 9 meters in diameter, allowing high-altitude airflow to pass through the structure. However, columns that long are prone to bending and breaking, so you connect them with continuous horizontal beams, forming a much more stable frame structure. To allow the tower to carry more functions and better serve the city, you install 3 spherical structures of different sizes at varying heights. Some spaces house the tower's core equipment, while the rest are open to the public. But these spheres increase wind resistance and raise the center of gravity, making the structure unstable. So from the base of the tower, you extend 3 concrete columns, each 7 meters in diameter, tilted upward at a 60-degree angle for support. To prevent deformation and structural failure, you add 3 reverse-angled support columns. Congratulations! You have now created an extremely stable 3-dimensional triangular bracing structure. Not stopping there, you split the horizontal connections into upper and lower levels, seal them with glass, and embed a spherical space at the center, creating a high-altitude hotel with panoramic city views. To connect the spherical spaces across a 400-meter height difference, you install high-speed elevators inside the massive columns, forming a perfectly integrated vertical transportation loop. Finally, to elevate the high-altitude experience, you open the 260-meter sphere outward and extend a panoramic glass walkway from which the entire city lies beneath your feet. And so, congratulations, you have designed the Oriental Pearl Tower.